What's good, YouTube? It's your boy CrayOn and I'm back with another.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy CrayOn and I'm back with another video. It's a Wednesday, and as much as we're celebrating 200 subs, I genuinely need to apologize for the fact that last week I missed both uploads. I was in Palape for the whole duration of last week, and I was shooting a wedding, and what else was I doing? I was at Boost, and Boost gets a little wild.
This is wild as fuck.
Ah, shit! Ow! So yeah, this is just an apology from me. Guys, I'm sorry that I missed last week's uploads, but we're back in full force and we're getting the train rolling again. I think right now I'm just going to throw in the clips that I recorded while I was there, the clips that were supposed to be uploaded then, and then yeah, that will explain the competition.
Nigga wanna see me fall. Stephen Curry, how I ball. Gosha garments and a white 3 on my body. I'm an icon.
Y'all, nigga, that's that vid trap. Hey, yeah, I got freak babes cause the country. Y'all, bitches water than Jumanji. Hey, money longer than a bungee.
We rolling, bro.
Oh, first and foremost, I'm hosting this competition online, so the more social media accounts you have, the better your chances to win. The competition is gonna be hosted on Gleam. You basically click on the link I'm gonna put in the description. In this video, there's going to be like 4 numbers just randomly pop up on the screen. Write those down. When you click the link at the bottom, it's gonna ask you for a 4-digit pin. So if you didn't watch the whole video, you're most probably not gonna be able to even enter the competition for the stickers. So you get those 4 digits, you input them, and then it'll tell you to do something crazy like my Facebook page or follow me on Instagram. You like my page on Facebook, it gives you 1 entry. Follow me on Instagram, that's 2 entries. I think I'll give you guys 3 or 4 entries each. The more entries you have, the better the chances of winning. Then I think after a week, we'll do this video again, and I'll be announcing who won the stickers, how they can collect them, and what I'm doing with my life. We good? We aight? Y'all get it? Y'all got it? We good? We flexing, finessing, repping the whole set. I got my A for the A. This is the phone. This is what I shoot my stuff on. It has Twitter. Guys, Twitter's dangerous. Hey yo, I'm with my boy Kev. What's up, bro? We've been shooting. 200 subscribers, Bobani. Go subscribe to Kevin's channel. He's in my friends thing on the side. Yeah, and as always, Kaling Kitzelin Tepa. Links in the description. Spoiler alert. Competition. Hey. We've been shooting that. Hey guys, can you see the sunset? I lost it. Hey, no, it's blown out. Hey, there we go. Can you see this? That was amazing, bro.
Where do I switch this thing on, bro? On. Oh shit! Oh shit! Where's the going?
Kevin!
Oh shit!
So we crashed it. First time.
No, dude.
It was going somewhere.
You're panicking. Don't panic, dude. This is like, oh shoot, what happened?
I couldn't switch to Andres solo hell and
Where did I press? I dropped fucking.
Freak babes cause the country. Y'all, bitches water than Jumanji. Hey, money longer than